With whom? A. Shivaji Maharaj. B. Maharana Pratap. C. Prithviraj Chauhan. Correct answer is B. Maharana Pratap. Where is Buland Darwaja located? A. Agra. B. Fatehpur Sikri. C. Delhi. Correct answer is B. Fatehpur Sikri. What is the time duration prescribed for singing the national anthem? A. 45 seconds. B. 52 seconds. C. 60 seconds. Correct answer is B. 52 seconds. What is the capital of Chhattisgarh? A. Raipur. B. Bilaspur. C. Durg. Correct answer is A. Raipur. In which state of India is red chilli produced the most? A. Gujarat. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. Which Indian warrior always carried two swords with him? A. Maharana Pratap. B. Shivaji Maharaj. C. Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Correct answer is C. Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Which bird can swallow small stones or pebbles? A. Ostrich. B. Parrot. C. Crow. Correct answer is A. Ostrich. How many workers were involved in the construction of the Taj Mahal? A. 20,000. B. 10,000. C. 15,000. Correct answer is A. 20,000. In which country is NASA located? A. Russia. B. America. C. Japan. Correct answer is B. America. The palace of Chandragupta at Pataliputra was made of wood. A. Stone. B. Wood. C. Marble. Correct answer is B. Wood. Which country has the highest availability of pizza bread? A. Italy. B. America. C. France. Correct answer is A. Italy. Who was the first person to reach the moon? A. Neil Armstrong. B. Yuri Gagarin. C. Michael Collins. Correct answer is A. Neil Armstrong. Which state in India has the lowest population? A. Manipur. B. Sikkim. C. Mizoram. Correct answer is B. Sikkim. Who is the first Indian woman cricketer to score a double century? A. Mitali Raj. B. Harmanpreet Kaur. C. Smriti Mandhana. Correct answer is B. Harmanpreet Kaur. Which place in India is known as Heaven on Earth? A. Shimla. B. Kashmir. C. Ooty. Correct answer is B. Kashmir. Where are diamond mines found in India? A. Jharkhand. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. What is the tenure of the Prime Minister? A. 4 years. B. 5 years. C. 6 years. Correct answer is B. 5 years. Under which tree did Gautam Buddha attain enlightenment? A. Peepal tree. B. Banyan tree. C. Neem tree. Correct answer is A. Peepal tree. Which state is famous for spice production? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Kerala. Which animal has a brain larger than its body? A. Octopus, B. Bat, C. Dolphin. Correct answer is A. Octopus.